Wealth is not built in noise. It is built in silence and discipline. True wealth is not created by chasing quick profits, but by patiently making smart decisions again and again, even when no one is watching. The best investments are often boring, quiet, and built on discipline rather than excitement. Risk does not come from investing. Risk comes from not understanding what you are doing. Wealth grows fastest when patience replaces urgency. The market rewards those who can stay calm while others panic. Long-term success belongs to people who think clearly, not emotionally. Money is a powerful tool, but character decides how that tool is used. The most valuable skill is the ability to wait without feeling anxious. You don't need many great decisions in life, just a few that you don't mess up. Consistency beats brilliance when brilliance lacks discipline. Investing is simple, but not easy, because emotions are always louder than logic. If you don't understand a business, you have no business owning it. The best returns often come from decisions that feel uncomfortable at first. Time is the friend of good decisions and the enemy of bad ones. Wealth is built quietly through patience, not loudly through hype. Your reputation is more valuable than any investment you will ever make. Great opportunities come rarely, which is why patience matters more than activity. The goal is not to be busy, the goal is to be right. You don't need to predict the future if you prepare for it intelligently. Emotional control is a financial advantage most people ignore. Smart investing is about avoiding stupidity more than seeking brilliance. The stock market transfers money from the impatient to the patient. You should invest only in businesses you would be happy owning even if the market closed. Long-term thinking turns small advantages into massive results. Price is what you pay, value is what you understand. Risk increases when knowledge decreases. The best investment returns come from clarity, not complexity. If you cannot explain why you invested, you probably shouldn't have. Success comes from doing a few things exceptionally well. Time rewards discipline more than intelligence. You don't have to swing at every opportunity, waiting is a strategy. Wealth grows when decisions are guided by logic instead of fear. A strong foundation matters more than fast growth. The smartest investors think like business owners, not gamblers. Good judgment comes from experience, and experience comes from mistakes. The best businesses grow quietly without constant attention. Your biggest enemy in investing is often yourself. Avoiding losses is more powerful than chasing gains. Long-term success depends on staying rational during chaos. A calm mind is one of the most valuable financial assets. You don't need to know everything, just what truly matters. Simple ideas, followed consistently, create extraordinary wealth. The best investors ignore noise and focus on fundamentals. If you let emotions guide money, money will leave you. True wealth takes time because trust takes time. The goal is not to impress others, but to protect your future. Financial freedom begins with disciplined thinking. Short-term thinking creates long-term problems. You don't need frequent wins, you need lasting ones. Patience is the most underpriced asset in the world. Wealth grows when you resist the urge to follow the crowd. The best decisions often feel boring, and that's a good sign. Money rewards those who respect risk. Clarity beats speed in every long-term game. A strong character protects wealth better than intelligence alone. Long-term investors benefit from short-term mistakes. Understanding compounds just like money. If you chase trends, you will always arrive late. Consistency creates wealth faster than excitement. The market rewards preparation, not prediction. Good investing is about making fewer mistakes, not more decisions. You don't need luck when you have discipline. Time magnifies both wisdom and errors. A long-term mindset turns uncertainty into opportunity. The best investments survive bad news. Confidence comes from understanding, not optimism. Money grows where patience lives. Avoid complexity, it hides risk. Great results come from ordinary actions repeated for years. Investing rewards discipline far more than brilliance. The market tests emotions before it rewards intelligence. True wealth is built by staying rational under pressure. The best investors think decades ahead, not quarters. If you protect your downside, the upside takes care of itself. Patience turns small advantages into life-changing outcomes. Understanding risk is more important than chasing reward. A calm approach outperforms aggressive behavior over time. Good investments don't need constant attention. Wealth favors those who stay consistent when others quit. Long-term value is built slowly, but it lasts. You don't need perfect timing, you need enough patience. The best investors focus on quality, not quantity. Financial success is built on understanding, not hope. Short-term fear often hides long-term opportunity. Money grows best when guided by principles. Staying disciplined is harder than being smart, but far more profitable. The market rewards those who wait. True wealth is built when emotions are controlled. Understanding business fundamentals is timeless. Long-term success comes from avoiding unnecessary risks. The best financial decisions feel uncomfortable before they feel obvious. Patience is the silent partner in every great investment. Wealth is built by thinking clearly when others can't. You don't need excitement to make money, you need discipline. Good judgment grows from learning and reflection. Time rewards those who respect fundamentals. The biggest gains come from staying invested, not trading constantly. Understanding protects wealth better than prediction. Financial success is the result of many small, correct decisions. True wealth is created by patience, discipline, and the ability to think long-term while others think short-term. True wealth belongs to those who think long-term and stay disciplined.